Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix KB5086672, how to fix March 2026 installation error on Windows level, new update on PC. In this video, seeing before you begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem, fix it. Let's go at that first step, restart your system. So go to that start menu and you will click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Once you will restart, then go to the next step, troubleshoot Windows update. So go to the Windows search bar and type settings. You can click to open, then you can click on the system and scroll down or search the Windows update by using search bar. You can see, click on the find and fixing problem with Windows update. You get the new tab, then just you click on the next. Wait, it is detecting the problem. It will find to show. Then we are next step going to we are solving this problem. So wait, it is loaded. It will show the check for Windows update issues. It is showing. So next, checking for update issues. So just close, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then we can try next step, corrupted files delete. So if it have corrupted files, we can solve it. So we need file explorer. Just click on it and go to that local disk C and open the Windows folder, then scroll down and open the software distribution folder, then selected all files and right click on it and choose the delete to delete that all folder. It is safety, just try it. Then come to back, then go to the next step, try command promote. So go to the Windows search bar and type the cmd, right click on the command promote and you will click on the run as administrator. Then type the command. This command provided in this video description. Then copy to here, place it over here, paste it over here. Then type sfc, do the space /scannow. Just hit the enter. Finally exit. This process will take sometimes 100% verification, 100% complete. Then come to back. I will skip it. Then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. It will have solved your problem and normally working the Windows update. If you have any doubt, go to that comment section and leave the comment. I definitely reply to you. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.